Welcome. If your neck feels stiff, tight, or just needs a moment of love, then this flow is for you. So let's begin in a comfortable seated position. You may choose to stay cross legged here and maybe close your eyes when you've arrived. And start focusing on your breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. You're just arriving on the mat. Just inhale and exhale here. Slowly open your eyes. Good. And let's start with some gentle neck rolls. So we're half hollowing the head in front of us. So we're going from one shoulder to the other. Make the movement as slow as possible in your own rhythm, in your own time. Don't forget to breathe here. Two more. And then stop at the center. Place the right palm onto the left side of your head and gently let your head drop towards the right shoulder. So you're just staying here, stretching the left side of your neck. You can choose to put your hand and your fingers on the mat. Maybe take them a bit further from your body and see what this does to your pose and to your neck. And don't forget to breathe here. Two more breaths. And one more. And then slowly come up. And let's go the other way. So now place the left palm onto the right side of your head and drop the left ear towards the shoulder and just feel this entire right side of your neck stretching in here. You may choose to place the right fingers onto the mat and see what this shifts. What shifts this pose? What else do you feel at the neck level when doing so? Two more breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come up and let's do eagle arms with the front body, upper body. So wrap the right arm underneath your left. Palms face each other. Lift the elbows higher and see what this does to the upper side of your back. Your shoulder blades are distancing from each other and you're staying here. The neck is long in the extension of your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more breath. Slowly release your arms, stretch them for one breath, and just wrap them the other way. So left arm underneath your right now. Lift your elbows up and breathe here. One more breath. And then slowly extend your arms and just come up, come down. Come onto your hands and knees. And let's do a couple of rounds of cat cow. Inhale, arch your spine, chin up, sit bones up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. And one more. Inhale and exhale. Stop at the center and very slowly we're going to rotate our head full circles with our head into one direction. Don't forget to breathe. Do this movement as slowly as possible. Stop at the center and let's switch directions. You may choose to close your eyes while doing so, just feeling the entire movement. Stop at the center and we're going to raise the right arm up and gaze towards the right palm. We're going to thread the needle, so place the head and the shoulder onto the mat. We're staying here. You always have the option to remain here or maybe extend the left palm, the left arm, or maybe you can cross the arm at the back and put the palm into the hip crease. We're staying here for 2 more breaths. And one more. And then slowly come back up. And without thinking, we're going the other way. So raise the left arm up, gaze towards the left palm. And then thread it under your torso, placing the head and the shoulder onto the mat. You can stay here, you can extend the right arm in front of you. Either here or maybe place the palm, the right palm into the hip crease. And stay here for 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale, and one more. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly come back to center, to a tabletop position. And from here, we're going to gently walk with our hands in front of us for happy puppy. So we're taking the chest towards the mat here. We're trying to keep the shoulders, the hips on the same line with the knees. If we feel a pain or discomfort into the shoulders, we may choose to distance our palms from each other and stay here, either forehead or chin to the mat. 3 more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, and one more. Very slowly come up. And let's come onto our sit bones again in a cross-legged position. We're going to place our fingers onto our shoulders and we're just slightly rotating our elbows, making circles with our elbows, rotating our shoulders here, releasing any tension. Switch directions. And then stop at the center. Place the palms onto your forehead. The neck is long in this position. We're just trying to push our forehead into our palms without moving. And just notice what this does to your neck. We're just isolating the neck muscles in this pose. One more breath here. And exhale. Now release your palms from the forehead and place them to the back of your head. And very gently push the head into your palms. And just notice what this does to the back of your neck. And just breathe here. One more breath. Slowly release and let the right ear go towards the right shoulder. We've been here before. We're just noticing what shifted. Maybe place the right palm onto the left side of the head for a deeper stretch. 2 more breaths here. And then slowly come back to center and let's go the other way. Left ear to left shoulder and just stay here for a few breaths. One more breath. Slowly come up. And we're going to do a twist now. So place the left palm onto the right knee and twist to the right. If your neck feels more mobile, then maybe gaze over the right shoulder. Just 2 more breaths here. Just notice. Slowly come back to center and let's go the other way. So right palm onto the left knee, left palm behind you. Inhale, extend and exhale, twist to the left. Gaze over the left shoulder if the neck feels okay with it. One more breath here. And then slowly come back to center. Maintain the palms onto the knees. Chin to chest. Let the head hang here. Close your eyes. And just stay here for a few breaths. Just notice your neck. Notice where you may be storing any more tension. And when you're ready, open your eyes, raise your head, and come back to neutral. Your neck carries the world. You gave it today the freedom of movement. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today, and I will see you again next time on the mat. Namaste.